What's up, ladies and germs? It's Sunday. It's raining. We're gonna go see what Patrick's up to in here, cause he's in there and I'm out here. Go check it out.
You already have plans. They're doing it tomorrow too. On Monday, starting at 9 in the morning.
We got front brakes done this morning. New calipers. You can't even see. New calipers, new brake lines. Brake line. Brake line. Brake lines and calipers. And bled the brakes. Put new Beltec shocks on it. And yeah, so now it's nice and stiff. And we are going to knock sensors. Lifts. You got everything unhooked? Yeah. Sweet. Yeah. It's not terrible. Not as bad as the blue truck. That's nasty, dude. Looks like doo-doo. For real. Throw that in the garbage. Almost done. Using the zip ties that are all melted together because I was I was cutting stuff with a torch and I melted all the zip ties together because they were on the ground. But you know what? Hashtag not my truck. That's super long.
Yeah, I didn't cut it.
They're in there tight, huh?
Yeah.
Let's see it. Let me see your gap, dude. Are they painted with the headers?
On a couple of them.
So we're done for the day. Everything's done. We just gotta put the hood on and the spark plugs on this side. With the headers, I need to get a quarter drive set to finish them up because the headers are in the way. But anyways, we're done, man.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go.
Very productive 4 hours, 5 hours.
I'm gonna go shoot a deer.
Yeah, you are.
Yes, I am. Trash Metal Customs, brother.